Good Tuesday morning, everyone. November 18th, 2025. Today, the word will be on the fellowship of believers, coming from Acts chapter 2, verses 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and 47. And it says, "And they continued steadfastly in the apostles' doctrine and fellowship, and in breaking of bread, and in prayers. And fear came upon every soul, and many wonders and signs were done by the apostles. And all that believed were together, and had all things in common. And they sold their possessions and goods, and parted them to all men, as every man had need. And they, continuing daily and with one accord in the temple, and breaking bread from house to house, did eat their meat with gladness and singleness of heart, praising God and having favor with all of the people. And the Lord added to the church daily such as should be saved." God bless you, and enjoy the day God gave you. Essie.